Most importantly of all, the top priority the President gave us, to work with members of Congress and make sure that the Obamacare nightmare is about to end. Virtually every promise of Obamacare has been broken. We will all remember the promises that they made back in 2010 when this was signed into law. They told us the cost of health insurance would go down. Not true. They told us if you liked your doctors, you could keep them. Not true. They told us if you liked your health plan, you could keep it. Not true. Here are the heartbreaking facts. Today, Americans are paying $3,000 more a year on average for health insurance than the day Obamacare was signed into law. Last year alone, premiums spiked by 25%, and millions of Americans have lost their health insurance plans and lost their doctors. And in 1/3 of the nation's counties, Americans only have one insurance company to choose from, which essentially means they have no choice at all. We're going to give Americans more choices. We'll expand health savings accounts. We'll give Americans a tax credit that'll help people buy plans that they need at a price that they can afford. We'll make sure that Americans with pre-existing conditions still have access to the coverage and the care that they need. And to all the parents here, we'll make sure you can keep your kids on your plan until they're 26 years of age. And under President Trump's leadership, we're actually also going to finally allow Americans to purchase health insurance across state lines, the way you buy life insurance, the way you buy car insurance. You know, President Trump and I both know the way to lower the cost of health insurance is to create a national marketplace and give Americans more choices to buy the insurance they want, not the insurance that the government mandates them to have. But folks, let me be clear. This is going to be a battle in Washington, D.C. And for us to seize this opportunity to repeal and replace Obamacare once and for all, we need every Republican in Congress, and we're counting on Kentucky. President Trump and I know, the end of the day, after a good and vigorous debate, we know Kentucky will be there, and we will repeal and replace Obamacare once and for all.